I have to give her the hiccups.
You have the hiccups?
First thing is, it's still got my mouth.
Really?
It's inside.
Oh, that hurts. I hate that. Alright, let's go send Daddy off to his first visit at the shed. Can you roll ahead? This is Turbo Anderson. Alright, we're going to put it across. Alright, Daddy's got his drumming gear on. Woo! Drumming shoes, a.k.a. Anderson driving, drumming shoes, wife beater. Full arm extensions. Wait a minute, I gotta do a what's in the trunk. What's in the trunk?
A bunch.
All the stuff that's
What's
no
not
longer
in
in
your
my house.
It's not
No
in your
longer in
bed
my
anymore.
house. It's not under my bed.
Not in my way either.
It's not in the kids' closet.
Nope.
Because that's a lot of stuff.
Yep.
Shed day! Woo! What? Ah!
Bye, y'all.
Bye, sweetie.